Hey students, welcome back, welcome again. So we are back in action with ionization potential or ionization energy. It is a basic article for board exam whether you are in class 10th or class 12th. What is ionization potential? It is the story of kidnap of an electron. What we are going to do? We are going to kidnap an electron, or in easy words, technical words, we can say we are going to pull out an electron, or we can say we can extract an electron, or basically we are going to remove an electron. So removal, extraction, pulling, or the kids love this, kidnapping. So we are going to kidnap an electron from the outermost shell, not the inner shells, from the outermost shells of an isolated gas atom. Everything, each and everything requires energy. Sir, walking, talking, jogging, everything requires energy. So we are going to use energy and we are going to extract a particular electron. The product will be what? A cation as far as electron is removed. So this is called what? Ionization energy or ionization potential. Why are we giving this atom energy? Basically there is a nuclear force acting. This electron is in love with the protons, the plus and the minus. It is a attractive force, nuclear force, electrostatic force of attraction. So in order to break this force, or in order to overcome the force, we will give energy. So this is what? Ionization potential or ionization energy. If you are walking or jogging in the periodic table from left to right across a period, this particular energy will increase. However, if you move down the ladder or down the group, this energy will be decreased. So IP or IE will decrease down the group and increase along the period while moving left to right. This is the basic trend of this. And one more thing you need to know, that the energy will be first IP or first IE for the formation of a monovalent cation. Further you can also form a divalent cation by removing one more electron. Here the energy required will be second ionization energy. So today we learned about ionization potential and ionization energy, the amount of energy required to pull an electron from the outermost shell, that will be called ionization energy. And for the next video we are going to discuss the anomalies in the second period and third period where this particular trend is not followed. So till then, keep learning, keep watching, have a nice day.